All right, y'all, we're fixing to make some little smokies, or a lot of people call them pigs in the blanket. Y'all, come on. We're fixing to make them right here in the Blackstone, Legato, Leggero, whatever this is, this Blackstone pizza oven. The little one, we're fixing to cook them up. Y'all hear that? I think they're coming for me. Or it's fixing to start raining. Anyway, we got to hurry up and cook this. What? Now. Okay, y'all, we got them. We'll set these right there. Y'all, how come I got so much issues with opening things sometimes? But not today. It's going to work just perfect. When my grandma used to cook them canned biscuits when they first come out like this. She called them Whopper biscuits. I said, Whopper, yeah. She said, you take it, whop them. See how you whop them? And they open up like that. Watch this. We're going to get it all out. Set it right over here to the side. Now, these are kind of aggravating. Sometimes they don't want to cooperate. But we're going to get them. Wow. Okay. I'm going to take and cut it right here. All right, y'all. I'm going to cut it this way. Then I'm going to cut it this way. Y'all say, what the heck is he doing? But watch, y'all. Don't be judging me, just watch. Okay, we're gonna start like this. Get on up in there. We're gonna roll it. Y'all, just little smokies, I love these things. My mama used to get these, put them in barbecue sauce, put them in the crock pot, and cook them for weddings and stuff with toothpicks. You put them in the thing. Well, I got a smart idea one time. I was gonna get 2 or 3 packs. That made me a few dollars. Put them on that crock pot. Nobody else was home. I ate them all. I got sick. You can't eat 3 packs by yourself. Share them with a friend. All right, y'all. This is the one I've been looking for, the last one. Y'all hear them little tree frogs? The tree frogs start hollering when it's raining around here. All right, y'all, we got them all. We're going to set them in this little pizza oven. Set them right up in there, just like that. We're going to let them turn around. I got it about low as it go because we want this about 300, 350. We're going to close this lid on this thing. We're going to go over here. We're going to make some sausage, y'all. Pardon me, do you have any Grey Poupon? Yes, we do. Ha ha. Here we go. Miss Janet likes this stuff. I wouldn't put it in a cricket's mouth. We're making like a, what we call, I guess, a honey Dijon. Got to have honey. Honey good for your tummy. Okay, we're going to put a good bit of this in here. Give it a little swirl around. It actually smells a little good. A little more honey won't hurt. All right, y'all seen how easy that was to make? That was it. We made it. We're through. Y'all know I could use just straight ketchup and do this, but we're not going to do that. We got to add other stuff to it. Here we go. Black pepper. I'm telling you what, this is a good combination. Ketchup and black pepper. Watch this. Got a good bit in there, a little bit in there. And you do this to taste. And I have good taste, so we're gonna put some more. Stir it good. I like to stir my pepper in. Then the good stuff. Crystal hot sauce, y'all. This is the best hot sauce they make in my book. Now you can put as much or as little as you want of this in here. I'm gonna mix this around a little bit. All this is smelling good. Let's go check on the, see if they're ready yet. How y'all doing now? Oh, they say let's get out of here. It's hot. Okay, we're gonna do this just like this. Ooh, y'all. Oh, I might have left me in there just half a minute too long, but that's all right. I like it a little dark. Now we got our 2 dipping sauces right here. We're fixing to start dipping and eating. What y'all think? Ooh, I might got these a little bit darker than I should have, but that's all right. Hey, we ain't gonna waste them. They definitely still gonna be good. I guarantee you that. All right, y'all, we down to the favorite part. Like I said, I cooked these a little bit too long, but that's all right. We don't care. Look at that. Look at that. If you don't like this side, just turn and look at the other side. But anyway, we're gonna put a little of this. Give it a shot. That's good. Janet likes that. I don't know. What do y'all think? Think I ought to try it? Yeah, I'm gonna try it. No, no grape Poupon for Bruce. Leave that in the comments. Would y'all try the honey Dijon or what? I'm done. I don't want no more of it. I don't want it around me. Now, there's pretty good stuff here. Y'all, get you one of these little pizza ovens. Let the kids help you make them. It ain't nothing to make. Just don't overcook them like I did. If you do, turn them on that side, and it's not that bad.